Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get chubby cheeks. Your cheeks have a huge impact on how you look. Chubby cheeks create a youthful appearance. High cheekbones are considered attractive by many and saggy cheeks are often a sign of aging. Many women like to have chubby cheeks as this helps in making them look young and cute. If you are looking for ways to get chubby cheeks naturally without putting on any weight, here are some tried and tested home remedies for getting chubby cheeks. So apply these remedies as per set direction to get fuller cheeks naturally. Home remedy number 1, blow up balloons. Blowing balloon is an excellent way to get chubby cheeks. It is an easy exercise to do. Just take a balloon and blow air into it with your mouth. Try to hold the puff up cheeks for a minute and then let out the air from your mouth. Repeat this action 5 to 6 times a day. Home remedy number 2, change your bad habits. Besides being dangerous for your health, drinking and smoking can also harm your skin. It can make your skin look darker and make your skin lose its elasticity. Avoid eating foods containing turmeric as this makes your skin look drier. Whenever you go out in the sun, make sure that you apply a good sunscreen on your skin. Home remedy number 3, drink milk every day. Milk is good for healthy skin. You can drink 2 cups of low fat or skim milk every day. You can massage it on your face. This will moisturize your skin. Home remedy number 4, drinking enough water daily. Try to drink lots of water. This is a simple way to get chubby cheeks. Make sure that you drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. This will keep your cheeks moisturized. Along with water, try to have more liquid with your meals. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Home remedy number 5, eat healthy foods. Eating healthy foods can help in providing your chubby cheeks because foods are rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants needed for your body. Have foods like oats, milk, cheese, nuts, apple, olive oil, honey, seeds, avocados, healthy fats, etc. These will add fat to your cheeks and give you chubby cheeks. Home remedy number 6, eat foods rich in carbs. Have foods rich in carbohydrates to have chubby cheeks. Pasta, rice and bread are foods that can help you have chubby cheeks. Carbohydrates have the power to improve your health and provide you with more energy. Home remedy number 7, moisturize your dry cheeks. It is very important to moisturize your cheeks or your face if you want to have a plump cheeks. Use milk cream or facial lotion to moisturize your skin after you have a bath or wash your face. Let this lotion dry on your cheeks naturally. Olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, etc. are also good for keeping your cheeks moisturized. Home remedy number 8, papaya honey face pack. Using honey is an excellent way to get chubby cheeks naturally. Blend some pieces of papaya and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. Now apply this on your face and wait for 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Home remedy number 9, pinching cheeks. Exercise is also good for helping you get chubby cheeks. Whenever you get free time, you can try to pinch your cheeks gently up and down in both sides. Doing this regularly can make your cheeks look plumper. It also makes your skin look brighter. Do this every day. Home remedy number 10, remove makeup thoroughly. Make sure that you remove all traces of makeup from your face, especially your cheeks, if you want to have chubby cheeks. You can use a makeup remover or cleansing cloth to get rid of the makeup. It is better if you do not use any makeup on your face if possible. This allows your skin to breathe. Try not to make your cheeks look brighter by wearing heavy creams and liquid foundations. Home remedy number 11, shea butter and sugar scrub. Shea butter have the power to improve the elasticity of the skin on your cheeks. Mix 250 ml of shea butter with 185 ml of granulated sugar and store it in the refrigerator to get a solid mixture. Take some of the mixture and apply it on your face. Massage your cheeks with it in gentle circular motions. Wait for 5 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Apply this daily and you will get positive results. Home remedy number 12. Use essential oils. You can use essential oils or natural oils to keep your skin healthy and to have chubby cheeks. You can massage your cheeks gently with oils like avocado oil, olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, etc. Apply this after you exfoliate the skin of your cheeks. These are some good remedies for giving you chubby cheeks. So try out the home remedies given above and look young and beautiful. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.